Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve this question together. Now look at what we are given. We are given that x to the power of s to the power of 3. Okay, s to the power of what? S raised to the power of what? 3 is equals to what? 36. We are asked to find the value of x. Now this question is very simple as ABCD. Okay, do you know that we are not wrong? Okay, we are not wrong in any way. If we say let what? Let s to the power of 3 represent any variable. Let it be represent what? Q. Now we see that s to the power of 3 is equals to Q. But we are going to make s the subject of the formula. For us to make s the subject of the formula, I have to tell you what? The cube root of both sides. That means the cube root of what? The cube root of s to the power of 3 is equals to the cube root of what? Q. Now this will cancel out this. Now say that our x is equals to the cube root of what? Cube root of what? Q. Wow, this is amazing. Now let's go back to our question. Look at s here in our question. So you're going to add this is what? Into. Are you seeing s? And you are seeing that s is cube root of q. So that means the cube root of what? The cube root of q. Okay. The cube root of what? Q. To the power of what? Look at another x. You are seeing another x here. Okay. But remember that this x you are seeing here is just what? Q. Because we say let s to the power of 3 equals to q. So here is just what? Q. Equals to what? 30 what? 36. Wow, this is amazing. Now let's obey one of the properties of indices. Do you know that if we have m to the power of what? 1 over 3 is equals to the cube root of what? The cube root of what? M. Now we want to obey these properties. Okay. Now you can see that we're having cube root of what? Q in this form. So we want to transfer it to this form. So this is something as what? Into q to the power of what? 1 over 3 or to the power of what? Q. As you can see by one of the properties of indices. Now remember that another properties of indices say that if we have into a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n is equals to a to the power of what? M n. You can see the index inside the parenthesis can multiply the index outside the what? Parenthesis. So this is what we're going to do here. Okay. So all this equals to what? 30 what? 36. That means u to the power of what? 1 over 3 multiplied by what? Q is equals to what? 30 what? 6 by obeying the properties of indices. Now 1 times q, what that is q raised to the power what? Q divided by 3 equals to what? 30 what? 6. Wow, this is amazing. What are we going to do here? Now what we are going to do here is to multiply both sides, both power by 3. I know you'll be wondering, Sagas, why you multiply both power by 3? We want to remove this 3 from here. So that's why we multiply both sides by 3. Okay? So what this is what? Into q to the power of what? Q divided by 3. Then multiply by what? Multiply by 3 equals to into 36 to the power of what? 3. Because we multiply both sides by what? Both 3. Now you can see that this 3 will. So what is the power of what? Q equals into 36, okay? To the power of what? 3. Wow. What are we going to do here? Now do at our what? Our left hand side. Let's consider our right hand side. There's an amazing thing we are going to do at our right hand side. Now, do you know that this is 36 we are seeing? You can also write it as what? Now see that this is q to the power of what? Q equals to into. Do you know that 6 times 6 is what? 6 times 6 is what? 36 to the power of 3. Okay, because 6 times 6 is what? 36. This is amazing. But what are we going to do? Observe this question. Know that this power you are seeing is affecting this what? Is affecting this 6, also affecting this 6. So we want to see that this is q to the power of 4 q. Okay, q to the power of q is equals to 6 to the power of what? 6 multiplied to the power of. Okay, because I can see that this you can affecting this. Okay, but there another way you can do it, because we are having here as q to the power of q. That is constant. You can see that is just constant. But we are concentrating on our right hand side. So if you are working with this way, I don't think we can achieve what you are looking for. Okay? Why not remove this? Okay? And obey the properties of indices, because the power here is 1 and the power here is 1. Okay? So now see that this is now become is 6 to the power what? 1 plus what? 1 all to the power of what? 3. Because by one of the properties of indices, since the bases are the same, we can add the exponent. You can see it from here. So that means q to the power of 4q is equals to 6 raised to the power of what? 2 all to the power of what? 3. You can see that this is amazing. This is beautiful, my dear. Okay, that means q to the power of 4q is equals to 6 to the power of 6, because 2 times 3 is 6. You see that q, which is base here, is equals to 6 here, which is the base, and the exponent, which is q here, is equals to the power 6 here, which is the base, which is the exponent. You can see that q is equals to what? 6. Fine. This is the value of q. But we are not asked to solve for the value of q. We are asked that what is the value of s. Now then recall that from here you can see that s is equals to the q root of 4, the q root of 4q. And we're that our q is 6. That means x will be equals to what? To the q root of what? 6. This is the value of s. Can you see how simple it is? Simple and interesting. Now I'm going to show you another short method you can use to solve this. Another amazing method. We are given that 6 to the power of what? S to the power of what? 3 equals to what? 30 what? 6. Now I'm going to show you another amazing method for not passing through this stress. I'm going to show you an amazing method we're going to do here. Now what you have to do here to speed this as 6 times 6 is 36, right? So that means s to the power of what? S to the power of what? 3 equals to into 6 to the power of 2, because 6 to the power of 2 is 36. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is to multiply both sides by 3. Okay. So what this is what? S to the power of what? X to the power of x all this power what? S to the power what? S to the power of 3. Multiply this by 3. Okay. You multiply this by 3 equals, also multiply the whole of this by what? By 3. Now this will give you s to the power of 3, because I see that this is a multiplication sign. So multiply by what? Multiply by s 3. You can see this 3 multiply, because exponent here multiply by 3 will give us 3. S to the power of 3 multiply by s to the power of 3 equals to 6 to the power of 6. You can see that 2 times 3 here is 6. You can see that s to the power of 3 here is equals to 6 here, which is the base, and s to the power of 3 here, which is the power, is equals to the 6 here. So you can see that s to the power of 3 is equals to what? 6. Taking the cube root of both sides, okay? Taking the cube root of both sides, that means this will cancel out this. S will be equals to the cube root of what? 6, which is the same thing as this. Can you see how simple and interesting it is? So please, if you find it interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and share it to your loved ones so others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please consider to subscribe so that anytime we do an exciting video, you'll notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye-bye.